Hey guys, today I'll show you how to open the debug menu in Project Zomboid. First, you need to enable debug mode before the game launches. This isn't available by default. You have to tell the game to start in debug mode first. There's another video on the channel that explains how to enable debug mode, which you can check out. Assuming that everything is set, start Project Zomboid as you normally would. When debug mode is enabled, the game adds developer tools that aren't present in a regular playthrough. Once you load into a world, look at the top left side of your screen. You should see a small bug-shaped icon or a debug indicator appear near your other UI elements. Click that debug icon to open the debug menu panel. This menu gives you special tools like item spawning, teleporting, and game state options. You can also access the Lua console and other developer screens while debug mode is active. If you don't see the debug icon after enabling it, make sure the launch option was saved correctly, and that the game was restarted after you added it. Some mods can interfere with debug mode, so try disabling mods if it still doesn't show. Keep in mind that enabling debug mode is meant mainly for testing or experimentation rather than normal gameplay. And that's how you open the debug menu in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.